Hit the button!
Welcome back to Zan's Weapon Depot, where steel meets silicone and war meets the future. Today we're diving into one of the most controversial projects in modern defense, a system that doesn't fire a single bullet, but one day might decide who does. It's called Project MAVEN, and make no mistake, this is not science fiction. This is the algorithm of war. Let's get into it. Back in 2017, the Pentagon had a problem. Too many drones, too much footage, not enough eyes. Every Reaper, every Global Hawk, and every orbiting sensor was feeding petabytes of data into systems that no human team could process fast enough. The military needed a way to see everything instantly. Enter Project MAVEN. Officially, it was known as the Algorithmic Warfare Cross-Functional Team. And the mission? Teach machines to recognize what humans see. Vehicles, structures, other people, and flag threats before a soldier even knows they're in danger. It started with Google. The same algorithms that recognize cats on YouTube were trained to spot insurgents in infrared. But when word got out, Silicon Valley revolted. Thousands of engineers protested, saying, "We will not build AI for killing." Google backed out. The Pentagon pressed on, because war doesn't stop for moral hesitations. Project MAVEN isn't a weapon you can hold. It's a thinking lens. A network of neural models designed to parse battlefield chaos into real time. It doesn't just see, it understands patterns. It can predict ambush points, detect weapon silhouettes in crowds, and even flag irregular motion across multiple video feeds. MAVEN runs under the Chief Digital and Artificial Intelligence Office, quietly integrated into Joint All-Domain Command and Control. That means one AI feed can now inform every branch, every domain, air, land, sea, space, and cyber. We're talking 98% classification accuracy. We're talking sub-second detection speed. The entire OODA loop just became machine speed. MAVEN's first tests were on ISR footage from Afghanistan and Syria. Unblinking, tireless, and terrifyingly precise. They learned to distinguish farmers from fighters, a task that once haunted human analysts with moral fatigue. But here's the part they don't advertise. Every algorithm carries the bias of its creators. Feed it the wrong data and it will see what you fear, not what's real. That's the new battlefield, not steel versus armor, but truth versus perception. And the soldier at the edge of it all might not even realize the machine that made the call. Project MAVEN isn't just about saving time, though. It's about redefining control. The line between AI assistant and AI commander gets thinner every day. Today, MAVEN helps humans make faster decisions. Tomorrow, it may not even need to ask for permission. That's the moral flashpoint of our century. Who owns the decision to take a life? The human finger or the algorithm that told it where to aim? You can stop a missile, you can jam a drone, but how do you jam an idea? Especially one learning at machine speed. This isn't the rise of the machines, but it's the moment that they learn to see us. Project MAVEN, the first spark of awareness inside the fog of war. And that's all the time that we have for this week's episode of Zan's Weapon Depot. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to zero in on those like and subscribe buttons. And until next time, stay locked, stay loaded, and remember, the battlefield of tomorrow won't be fought by who fires first, but who thinks first. Semper Fi.